Pulse 2, Unit 9, Take Care, Reading, page 95, an information leaflet. Exercise 1. Look at the picture. How do you think the boy feels? Why is he feeling like this? If you observe the picture, you can conclude that the boy looks unhappy. He feels sad and depressed. There could be various reasons that he feels that way. He is staring at a laptop, maybe. He has a problem with bullying.
Unit 9. Reading. An information leaflet. Exercise 2. Cyberbullying and how to deal with it. Someone is sending you nasty messages or posting rude comments about you on the internet. Should you ignore them or do something about it? Do you need advice about what to do? Read these 5 tips.
1. Don't reply. Bullies love it when they get a reaction, so don't let them know they're causing you stress.
2. Block the horrible messages. The best thing to do is to avoid all electronic communication so the bully can't get through to you. If you really can't live without using your phone or social networking sites, use filters to block the unkind messages. If someone bullies you in a chat room, don't get into an argument with them. You should report the messages to the chat room moderator.
3. Talk to someone. You mustn't try to deal with the problem on your own. Ask for help from your parents, a teacher, or another adult you can trust. Some victims of cyberbullying feel the problem is their fault and they delay getting help. You don't have to put up with the bullying, and the sooner the bully knows this, the better.
4. Save the evidence. If you have been the victim of online bullying, then you've probably got written proof of it. You can save the messages, print them out and show them to someone who'll take action to stop it. It might be your teacher or even the police.
5. Help the victims of cyberbullying. Don't encourage cyberbullies, as this will make the problem worse. You shouldn't be afraid to report the bullies if they continue sending hurtful messages to someone you know.
Exercise 2. Read and listen. Which pieces of advice are for victims of bullying? Which piece of advice isn't for someone who is being bullied? Pieces of advice for victims of bullying are paragraphs 1, 2, 3, and 4. The first sentence in paragraph 5 starts with, help the victims of cyberbullying. So, pieces of advice not for someone who is being bullied is paragraph 5. Exercise 3. Read the advice leaflet again. Answer the questions. What is cyberbullying? From the first paragraph, it is stated, sending nasty messages or posting rude comments about someone on the internet. Question 2. Give 2 ways of stopping a bully communicating with you. The answer is in paragraphs 1 and 2. First, don't reply. 2. Block the horrible messages. Question 3. What is the best way to deal with bullying in a chat room? The answer is in paragraph 2. Don't get into an argument with the bully. Report the messages to the chat room moderator. Question 4. Some people don't ask for help with this problem immediately. Why not? The answer is in paragraph 3. Because they feel the problem is their fault. Question 5. If you receive messages from a cyberbully, who could you show them to? The answer is in paragraph 4. Your teacher or even the police. Exercise 4. What are the advantages and disadvantages of online social networking sites? Write 2 more for each heading in your notebook. The advantages are: 1. You can communicate with your friends. 2. You can keep up to date on news more quickly. 3. You can express yourself creatively. The disadvantages are: 4. People you don't know can find out information about you. 5. You might get addicted to these sites, so you may neglect your studies by wasting time online. Finally, 6. Spending excessive time on these sites is not a healthy habit. You may face anxiety, depression, and low self-esteem. Thanks for tuning in. Got any questions? Leave them in the comments below. And remember to like, share, and subscribe.